equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson SV14. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. As you open the casing, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. Now, you'll see the motor assembly. There are typically 4 screws holding the motor in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With the screws removed, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take note of how the motor is connected to the wiring. It's a good idea to take a photo for reference when you install the new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Next, disconnect the wiring harness from the old motor. This may require a bit of force, so be gentle to avoid damaging the connectors. Once disconnected, you can set the old motor aside. Now, take your new motor and connect it to the wiring harness. Ensure that the connections are secure and match the configuration of the old motor. Once connected, place the new motor into the housing and align it with the screw holes. Reinsert the screws using your Torx screwdriver to secure the motor in place. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during operation. After securing the motor, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the casing back together and press it firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the clips are engaged. Replace the screws you removed earlier with your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough clean before testing it. Check for any loose parts or screws that may have come undone during the process. If you'd like a quote before repair or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson SV14 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with any problems you might face. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV14. Enjoy your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.